Morning, guys. So, don't have much time today. We have a huge storm coming, and I need to finish up this wall so I can start on the next step. So, let me show you what I got here. All right, so quick job today is just getting this glued in. I got the pieces cut, they're ready to go. I just got to get the epoxy out and get that glued in. Other than that, I need to figure out what I'm going to do because I don't know if you can see very well how cloudy it's getting out there. Don't mind the messy window, but well, it's supposed to storm today and come up here pretty quick within the next hour or so. And they're calling for severe storms, so possible tornado and some hail. And then also on top of that, temperature is supposed to drop. So late tonight, they're calling a chance of not only ice, but also snow. So we are going from about 60 degrees today down to 20 degrees. And then on top of that, a wind chill that they're calling for around 0 degrees after the wind chill. So it's not going to be fun. But if I get that glued in here real quick, that will have enough time to dry before the temperature drops. So let's get started. All right, there we go. That just has to dry and finish this wall. I want to show you guys here to be careful on where you're letting this dry at. If you still have a clump left, you can see the steam hopefully a little bit there. That this does get hot, and if you have paper towels or something around it, you don't want to start a fire or anything. So be careful on where you let that dry if you have a large clump of it. All right, so I was just out there spraying this. You could just find this anywhere, Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart. But I really love this stuff. I haven't seen a mouse in any of the bays since I've started using that. But trying to figure out what I could work on while that is drying. Since I'm limited on space, and I want to show you here, so thinking take this off and this folding door. I'll probably start ripping this apart. But I want to get these fixtures fixed. So you can see that one's cracked there. And it's only, whatever slot I have that in, it's only one side that works, the other side doesn't, even replacing the bulbs. Same thing with this one up here. This is a new light fixture. And again, only one half works. Both sides worked when I put it in. But, yeah. All the others work fine. So this one up here, I'm going to leave that. That is the one I rewired to be LED. Same as that one over there. So yeah, I didn't want to just leave a little short video of me just gluing that section of the wall in because it's not a very entertaining, just one little section, especially since I've done that already. So next project. The other thing I was thinking of is the bathroom. Let me show you here. The bathroom will nicely latch there. So in here, again, this wall was damaged. And it was pretty much mainly this whole wall on this side because the skylight leaked. I put that same tic-tac tile or whatever they want to call it, where it's the sticky tile, but it did not like this corner very well. So I think I'm going to rip all that out and replace it with something different. If I remember right, I used part of the wall on the other side of where I got the fireplace at to repair this, if I remember right. Wasn't a very clean job, but I could clean that up and make it look better. And I did do the ceiling in here the same as what I was doing out there. The nice cedar planks. I want to replace this. This little fan doesn't do squat. The other thing is I got a hole in my cabinet wall there because one of the fittings on my water heater, I don't know if I can get a clean shot of that or not. Let's move you. Turn a light on. So you can see here, one of the fittings was leaking, like one of the actual plastic fittings. So I had to get to that, and I had to cut a hole on both sides just to do it. So I think I might rip this out and get this reset up and looking better. All right, so goals, a lot to do. Like I said, the bedroom and the bathroom is the main areas that need to be fixed and then updated. The living room and the kitchen area is just pretty much updating and finish what I had already started, kind of like the ceiling. But even this tile here, let me show you. So even this tile up here, it doesn't want to stick very well. I already ripped that one down. This does not want to stick very well there, but everywhere else in the kitchen, it is sticking just fine. You have to excuse the mess in there, but yeah, it's all sticking fine everywhere else in the kitchen. It just did not like this higher section going up. And the duct tape, that is just closing off a hole because this is a different refrigerator that I had in here when I got the RV and could not get the exact same size of fridge. They changed the size of the refrigerators apparently. So I got a space up here that I'll have to find a way to seal that off as well. Yeah, just got to work one thing at a time. So let me start getting some of these lights replaced so I actually have some nice lighting in here. I don't remember if these are going to be yellow or a white light. I just found cheap lights to replace them for now. I have a feeling I'm going to replace these anyway, so I just wanted something cheap to have some lights in here. Show you that both of those LED lights that I had in that one are working. I just swapped them out for the incandescent there. They both work. And I'm sure the issue with this thing is the stupid switch. But let me get this pulled down, replaced, and let me run inside real quick. I'm gonna find some smaller ones of these. They seem pretty big for the size of wire, so see if I can find something better. You can see the brightness and compared this one to the old incandescent. So even if I replace these back here, I mean, this fixture, it'll be a lot brighter in here too. All right, guys, so I'm going to end up calling it quits here. The rain has started, and they've also put us under a tornado warning already. So it is on the way. So I'm going to call it here for the night. So have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There you go. I got inside just in time. Rain has just let loose.